Most people think that AI videos stop at those boring slideshow style storytelling clips. But what if I told you that you can actually create a full animated video with characters that move, talk, and even act out your scenes, and even with dialogues, all without being an animator? Let me break it down. So the first step is coming up with ideas and creating the script. I recommend you write your script yourself, but if you don't have any script idea, then use Gemini. Because when I tested ChatGPT and Gemini for this process, Gemini came up with a better idea than ChatGPT. But I wrote the script myself. So with that done, we'll move over to the next step, which is to start creating the images of the characters in the scenes that they fall. For me, I already know what I want, so I prompted it down in my Google Docs. But if you don't, then use ChatGPT to describe the characters. Here, I'll use Google AI Studio. I'll paste in the character's description, which is the first character. Then I'll bring down the cursor and I would write the same prompt. But even though if you don't know how to describe that, you can just take in your script into ChatGPT and tell it to give you a prompt you can use to generate all the scenes, and it will give it to you. But I recommend highly you write your script yourself, so it will feel the natural vibes and all that. So once I've written that, I'll click the arrow, then I'll wait for it to generate. Now it's done. It didn't give me too much of that Nigeria vibes, so but it's still okay. I'll manage it so it will look like Oyibo, something like that. So I'll paste in the second character prompt or so. Then I would also write in the same prompt. I'll say here I want her leaning on a kitchen door with a wooden spoon, and she looks angry. So with that, I will click on the arrow, then I'll wait for it to generate the scene. Now it has generated the scene already, so I would also save this by clicking on this download icon. So once I've downloaded it, I'll download this one also. Then this time is the time we're going to be using the nano banana model. So I'll just give it a prompt and I would upload the picture of the character. That's the character talking, or any scene. If you understand the script, you know which is which. So once I've given it the prompt, I'll just click on generate, and that's how I generated all the scenes. So next step is to animate all the scenes. So and I will use Dreamface web version. Just click on create, and that's AI video. This is the interface. Then click here. Then once you've clicked here, click this plus sign to add the image, the first image you want to animate. I would click this one. So once I've clicked on it, I would click done. Then I would write the prompt. You can also use ChatGPT to give you the animation prompts for all the scenes, but me, I understand it already, so I'll just write in the prompt. I'll say I want him to talk, but he speaks with shock and fear. With that, I would click on create. So once I've clicked on create, he's going to animate it. I've already animated the first scene already, which is this. And thanks to the Almighty, it doesn't have any watermark. Although there's, once we are going to lip sync it, it might have watermark. So just click on download. As you can see, it's very visible, and click download again, and you've gotten the scene in your device. This is it. Okay, so that's how I animated this one. Let's see if this is already done. Okay, first of all, I would also add in the second image I want to animate, so it will start generating. And one thing to know is that the Dreamface web version gives you 3 free credits, 1 free daily and 2 weekly, making it free for the day. Then once you have used the first free one, the next day you can also animate only one. Then this one is done, so it's okay. I'll just download it. Now I'll repeat the process for all other animations, and the next step is to get the voiceover, and to do that we'll use Gemini speech generation in Google AI Studio. This is the interface. It is usually in multi-speaker mode. If not, click on this taskbar and then select multi-speaker mode here. Then this is the interface of the taskbar. You can change the speaker's name. I recommend that, so that once you add the speaker it will not confuse you. I'll add here Ngozi and Chukwemeka because that's the characters I have in my scene, in my video. Then I'll change their voices to resonate the voice. Just listen to yours so you'll know the one that resonates with your characters. Once that's done, it's time to start adding dialogues for them. Now I'll just delete this in the style instructions box because that's not what I want. I will type in Nigerian voices in an argumentative tone. Once I'm done with the style, I'll click on start typing dialogues here. For the first speaker, I'll add what I want the first speaker to say. Then once I've added that, I would also add what I want the second speaker to respond by also clicking on start typing dialogues. Now I have typed in all the dialogues. I've typed them in. If you want to add more dialogues, you can just click on add dialogue. But since I don't need it, I'll just delete and then I'll hit run. So once I've deleted this, I'll hit run. Then I'll give it time to generate. If you didn't get what you want, you can just rerun again because it is totally free. Now it has generated it. Let's listen to it.
Wetin me and my pikin go shop today? Chai! Dis foolish man no wan give us food. You want make we die of hunger? Holy Ghost fire, make I even go check am. And fit just sneak come on dis
Okay,
house.
can you see? It's very okay. So I'll just click on this three ellipses button and click download. Now I'll get it straight into my device. Once I've downloaded it, I'll move over to the next step, which is to lip sync the characters to the dialogue. And to avoid wastage of credits, import all your clips into your editing software and also import the voiceover, that's the dialogues, and make sure that whenever the character's dialogue is sounding, that's speaking, that should be the character in the scene, or that should be the scene playing. That's whenever the character is talking, then the scene also should be the character talking, that particular character. So once you've done that, just delete the voiceover. Delete it. Once you've deleted it, then export the video and make sure you add transitions where needed because it may be hard for you to add transitions if you've exported the video. So once that's done, would move over to lip syncing them. But there's one thing you need to do because Dreamface only accepts 30 seconds long clips. So just import your video into Split Lab. So once you've imported it, then we will click on bypass. Click on bypass here, then click equal time. Then once you've clicked on equal time, click here and choose seconds, which is 30 seconds. Once you've typed that, then click on add to split list. Then change the name of the clip, so once you see it, you know the first clip and the second one and also the rest. I would do that and click save. Then Split Lab will split this into 4 parts because the video is about 1.48 seconds. Then this is it. So I would also do that, but this time I'll click on audio splitter for splitting the audio. I'll repeat the same process for that. Then now I'll come into Dreamface, click doc/scene. Then I would click on this plus sign and add the first scene. Once I've added the first scene, which is the splitted one, I'll click on confirm. Once I've clicked on confirm, I'll click want avatar to say. Then I'll click imports, click from files and choose the audio. That's the first audio. Then I would click confirm and click animate. This way it would animate the scene, that's lip sync the scene. So once that's done, I'll repeat the same process for all. Now it's time to put everything together. Click on new, choose them. Once I've chosen the clips, that's the 4 clips, I'll click on good and I'll click on canvas. Once I've clicked on canvas, I would select, okay, first of all I tested for 16:9 but it was too close, so I'll select 4:3 aspect ratio. Then I'll click these two boot here, that's to apply to all. Then I'll bring down this video. Once I've done that, also do the same for all, expand. And the reason for that is to erase the watermark, but if you don't want to cut out any part of the video, then watch to the end because I'll show you how to remove your watermarks seamlessly. So now I will add the original voiceovers, that's the dialogues, before I splitted them, so it will not have all these cut and join stuff. So I would import it. Once I've imported it, I would mute the main clip. I will mute it, then do the rest of your editing your way and also add sound effects. Once you've added all that, both background music, then export your video. I know it may not be that perfect, but at least it is okay. And if you apply small strategies, you can get something definitely better than mine. And that's what every creator wants. So if you don't want to figure out the strategies all by yourself, then join my Elevate program. Link in the description. It is a free community where other creators are learning and growing together. And if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I will really appreciate it. And if you want more weekly updates like this, then be sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on. And to handle the watermark, if you don't want to cut out any part of the video, then click the card above and watch the video on how I shared the strategy I used to remove my watermark without cutting out any part of the video. And let's see the final video.
Wetin me and my pikin go shop today? Chai! This foolish man no one give us food. You want me we die of hunger? Holy Ghost fire, make I even go check am. If he just sneak come on this house.
Hope say this woman no go see me oh.
And where you think say you dey go? Tortoise, my funny husband.
I just dey check if the door handle dey work.
You dey check if door handle dey work? Well, if you should know, na me and your pikin belly wey no dey work.
I'm sorry, chai, baby moo. Oh yeah, don't worry. I go give you money if I come back.
You dey mad? Dem push you man for school yesterday. You no even care. Okay, give us food money. You dey tell me story. Abeg, hold am there. Oh.
I promise I go give una money when I come back. Bye.
Jesus.
You say bye. You dey joke. Come back here. Stingy man. I know say you get money, but you no wan give us. But today, we go die for here.
My baby, I beg now. Make I come back first. Don't worry, I go buy you shawarma and pizza.
Na so. No be like that you promised me last month. Now you won't do the same thing. I no go gree.
Wetin dey happen here? No, that don't they fight again. Okay, wetin happen?
Papa, now this man, no, he no wan give me an pikin money where we go use chop.
Emeka, you should be a man now. A good man should provide for his family. Come rain, come sun.
Tell him, oh.
And you? That shouldn't be the reason you should fight your husband, eh?
My fans. Today I will show now wetin dey happen for our compound like this now. You don't boss. Today this man no wan give him wife money for food. But she said she no go gree for anybody. And
oh yeah, come out there. I'm able.